this pizza here, it's hard to tell which is the cheese and which is the pepperoni. But if you look closely, because they didn't put it on top, the pepperoni is actually buried underneath. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Machiavelli, and we are back with another video. And today I'm just loose balling, to be honest. I'm just outside strolling around. I just came up across this place that I've been seeing for a while. It's called Cosmic Pizza in Donair. Let's take a look at it right now. Y'all see that? All right, let's go inside. So what did you say? One of them has pepperoni underneath? Okay, all right. So how much do I owe you, brother?
You want a small poutine?
Yeah, small poutine and the 2 slices. That's it. Let me get a creamy garlic. You have creamy garlic?
I have a creamy garlic.
All right, let me get a creamy garlic. All right, brother. Have a good one. All right. Got the food. My boy over here was fucking glazing, but yeah. All right, so it's like negative 30 degrees Celsius outside, so but I was not gonna go outside. I knew that would be it. But we got the food. What we got was a poutine, a cheese slice, and a pepperoni slice. So we wrapped it with some tinfoil. All right, first thing I'm gonna try is the poutine. There you go. You see what the poutine's looking like. You got some cheese plate going on in there. It's a small box. It's not that big. As you can see, this is their small poutine. Okay. Okay. Wow. Lots of cheese in there. Big pieces of cheese curd. Not gonna lie, this poutine is loaded with flavor. The fries are cooked to perfection. The gravy, nice amount of seasoning, great gravy. Cheese, big pieces of cheese curd, it's on point. To be honest, this is probably one of the better poutines I've ever had. Yeah, this is fire still. Cheese, the way how everything just goes together, it just hits. Where I give this, I'm gonna give this like a 8.5 out of 10. Fire poutine. Better than your Harvey's, your New York fries. But the thing is with this place, all they have is the basic poutine. So if you're looking for a basic poutine, this is definitely better than those 2 places I just mentioned. Okay. The pizza, what we came here for. The pizza stuck to the tinfoil. That off real quick. That's one pizza. That's the other. Ah, fuck. They said they forgot something. My garlic dip. As usual, not surprised. That's what these fast food places be doing. They be forgetting everything. Anyhow, it's hard to tell. This pizza here, it's hard to tell which is the cheese and which is the pepperoni, but if you look closely, because they didn't put it on top, the pepperoni is actually buried underneath the pizza. So, yeah. All right. We're gonna start with the cheese. We're gonna start with the cheese pizza. Cheese pizza. Doesn't really have a crisp to it. It smells good. It's like got a great amount of cheese on it. I'll give it that. Great amount of cheese on it. Not too much grease to it. As you can see, take a look. Alright, I'm gonna take a bite. Wow. Okay, right off the bat, it has a nice little bit of like a savoriness to it. It has a nice, like, I don't know if you can see that, but it has like a thick amount of cheese. And I like that. I feel like most of the time when you go to these pizza joints, they be skipping on the cheese. So this is like something new for me. Okay. 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 Like I said, the dough was kind of on the soft side. I wish like the dough was like more on the crispy side. It's like super floppy. Look at this. It's super floppy, but the flavor is there. It does have flavor. If this pizza was a little bit more crispy, I'd probably give it like a 9 out of 10. Or because it's not crispy, I would give it like a 8 out of 10. It's a good pizza. It's solid. I fuck with it. What's really getting me with this pizza though is the extra cheese. The dough tastes good. The sauce is amazing. But the reality, cheese's pizza is what makes it what it is. Okay. Now let's move on to the pepperoni pizza. Boom. This is the pepperoni pizza, as you can see. Boom. Like I said, you can't really see the pepperoni slices on it, but if you look closely, like on the top, like right here, the pepperoni is buried under the cheese. All right, let me take a bite. Okay. The pepperoni does have a solid flavor to it, but the texture, like, hold on, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. You see that? You see that? I pulled that from underneath here. See that? It would have been better if they put the pepperoni on top and let it cook and then it become a little bit more crispy, you know, on the grilled side. I like my pepperoni on the like crispy side. This shit here is just, it's too floppy for me. It's too floppy for me. I mean, it tastes good, but it would have been better, especially on a pizza. Would have given it a little bit of a crunch, if you know what I mean. If they had put it on the top. This is more of like a panzerotti type feel. Look, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like seasoning on the bottom. It's like they season the sauce with something. Not bad. Not bad. That's a solid pizza. Alright. So, the pepperoni pizza, I'm gonna give the pepperoni pizza a solid 7.5 out of 10. The poutine, this is the solid poutine. I'm gonna give it like a 8.5, 9 out of 10. And the cheese. Solid cheese pizza. I'm gonna give the cheese like a 8 out of 10. It's a solid cheese pizza. I'm gonna need y'all to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I've been putting in work. I'm 5 days straight in. It's a Wet Machiavelli, and I'm out. Peace.